All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Bull Channel with your host, William. And guess what? We've got a great new project to talk about today. But before we get started, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't claim to be, and I'm never going to be. So if that's why you're here, wrong place, wrong day, wrong time. Head on down that road. Down in the description, you're going to see everything you need to know, all our links, all our dirty details, any codes, any coupons, anything like that. If we've got it, that's where it's at. All those links, click them. Also, you're going to see a subscribe button. Click that for sure. And a notification bell. Definitely want to get on that because a lot of stuff we talk about is time sensitive. So getting notified about it's pretty cool. And if you like what you see by the end of the video, please go ahead and click that like button. All right, let's talk about what we're going to talk about. And that is ICM24, guys. Yes. Guys, what is it? That's what you're wondering, right? Why are we talking about it? Because it is an AI-driven investment and trading platform that is built for people who feel overwhelmed by those pesky markets. Guys, the pitch is pretty simple. Instead of making beginner investors figure everything out alone, which is usually how it goes, ICM24 uses AI tools to help simplify market analysis, also execution, risk monitoring, and decision-making support. And I want to be very clear up front, this is not financial advice. Remember that, guys, because sometimes you guys think I am a financial advisor, but I'm not. And by the way, this AI does not guarantee profits because you know those markets are all over the place. And the point here is totally education, structure, and assistance, not magic. Oh, that would be cool. You think with these AI bots and everything, there would be some kind of magic, but yeah, not right now. So we got altcoin investor right here. That's right. So the reason platforms like this are getting attention is because trading has become way more data heavy than it kind of used to be. Well, I mean, crypto is data. Markets move on price action. They move on news. They move on economic data, sentiment, liquidity, and thousands of signals happening all at the same time. So ICM24 is positioning itself as multi-asset trading platform with AI-supported tools for execution, risk management, and market monitoring across 5 asset classes, with account access starting from only 250 bones. So the big idea is make advanced tools easier to access for regular users, and not just those professional dudes and dudettes. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So if we're heading on over here, we got the same stuff. Let's talk about some ways it breaks down, eh? So one detail I really like about it is that ICM24 has clarified what it is, and that's 98.2% AI accuracy. That's right. That's what that claim means. A lot of people see 98% accuracy and they think it means the AI predicts the market correctly 98 out of 100 times. But that's not what they are saying. The article explains right there that ICM24 is 98.2% number refers to let me say that again. ICM24's 98.2% number, guys, and that refers to execution quality, which means how consistently the system identifies a signal it was trained to detect. And that acts with the traders settings and completes the process without data handling or order execution errors, which is pretty important because that distinction matters. A bad strategy can still lose you guys money even with clean execution. You know what I'm saying? So the correct way to think about this stuff, guys, is ICM24 is trying to help users execute and monitor better, not promise perfect predictions. Although that would also be pretty cool. So let's talk about some solutions and stuff like that, because the problem ICM24 is trying to solve is pretty obvious. A lot of beginner investors jump into the markets without a real process, but they do not know how to read the risk, and it can be pretty complicated, and they do not understand position sizing. They get pretty emotional and they chase the hype. Don't we all? And ICM24's single angle is to make that process more guided. AI support analysis is going to be simpler with the navigation and support available throughout the user's journey, guys. Speaking of that support for beginners, that matters because confusion is super expensive, and that is not a joke. Speaking of that support, guys, another key point is ICM24 wants users to stay in communication with the company through the whole process, especially when it comes to account setup, using the platform, and handling withdrawals. Now, my personal rule is with anything involving money, pretty simple. Only use official communication channels, guys. Never send money to a random dude or dudette, and never trust people that are texting you or DMing you or leaving you messages. Always confirm you are on the official website. And if a representative is involved in withdrawals, document every single freaking thing and make sure you understand the exact process before you start sending or depositing any money. And that's not me being negative. That's just basic financial strategy, ladies and gentlemen. Beacon of strategy, withdrawals. We got to talk about it. So if you're using the platform, don't treat withdrawal communication casually. Verify the representative, confirm the process through official support, keep those records, like I said, and never move funds outside official instructions. With any investment platform, the boring safety steps are the ones that keep you protected. Oh, yeah. All right. Altcoin. So, guys, the strongest part of the positioning, in my sweet opinion, is that ICM24 is not presented as a full-on autopilot. The coverage says that trader remains in control of the strategy, risk tolerance, and contextual judgment, while the AI handles things like processing, execution, support, and monitoring. But that is exactly how AI should be with investing. Let the software help you process more information and let it help you avoid little mistakes and stuff like that here and there. But never hand over your brain to those things because they're just not there yet. It is the page I want to be on, guys. It's the page you want to be on because I said so. And to keep this honest, AI trading tools do have limitations. They all do. The Startup Rise article points out that ICM24's accuracy claim is about execution reliability, not market prediction, and that traders are still responsible for their strategies and their decisions. And that is the correct mindset, guys. AI can support you, it can speed up analysis, it can help with consistency, but it cannot remove the risk. So, back to their cool homepage. Here's my summary. Very simple takeaway. ICM24 is built for beginner and intermediate users who want a more guided investing experience. And with AI supported execution, and they want risk monitoring, and they want market analysis. Its main value is simplicity, helping users make sense of markets without needing to manually track everything themselves. Its support structure is also a major part of the experience, especially for users who want assistance at every step. That's me, man. If you want to learn more, the official website is ICM24-24.net. Link in the description down below. Read the materials, understand how the AI tools are meant to work, and make sure you are comfortable with the support and withdrawal process before doing a stinking thing out there in crypto bull land. Guys, this is not financial advice, and just my breakdown of what ICM24 is trying to solve. Making investments more accessible to people like you, more guided and less intimidating for people just starting out. Guys, my name's William. This is the Crypto Bull Channel. You guys stay amazing. You're always amazing. I'm going to have another video. I hope you're there for it. Until then, stay classy. Peace.